guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alay. If you're new here, welcome for the first time. So today I'm doing something a little bit different. I am doing a video about HelloFresh. I'm sure you guys have heard of HelloFresh. I feel like they're everywhere. I feel like tons of food subscription services are everywhere. You've got Blue Apron and all the others. But I wanted to try one and they were having a sale, so I figured what better time. This video isn't sponsored, so they did not send this to me. All my opinions are my own. I just wanted to try it and I figured it'd be really cool to make a video about it and show you guys what I got for my first ever HelloFresh subscription box. So I'm going to do an unboxing of it, show you guys all the ingredients and everything that comes in it, and then I will cook one of the meals and I'll show you guys as I do that, and then I will give you a review of how I like the meal and how I kind of like the experience of HelloFresh itself. So yeah, that's basically what this video is going to be about, so let's get right into it. So here we have the 3 meals that I got in the subscription for this week. First one is the creamy dill chicken, and then we have, it's kind of hard to see, but the saucy thyme steak. And then we have the cheesy chicken shepherd's pie. And then these are the meat, the meat that came for each meal. So I've got chicken breast strips here. I have, that looks, beef ranch steak, and then we've got, I think, boneless, skinless chicken breast there. So I am excited to try all of these. I'm not sure which one I want to try first. Babe, what do you think? Which one do you want to try? Steak, shepherd's pie, chicken, or creamy dill chicken?
Steak.
Steak. All right, so there it is. Tonight we are having the saucy thyme steak. So I should start getting cooking. See you guys in a second. Totally forgot to mention that these also come with their recipes for each one. So these are what they look like. That is what the cheesy chicken shepherd's pie looks like. That's what the steak looks like. And then this is what the creamy dill chicken looks like. And again, this is what we are going to be making tonight. So let's hope it turns out even remotely like the picture. So I pretty much just start off with getting all of my ingredients together. I just wanted to see everything in front of me so I knew exactly what I was using, and I just wanted to make sure that I had everything that they said I had. And then they give you, like I said, those little papers with the recipe and the ingredients and everything on it. So kind of just propped that up and started following that. I will say that I never have used fresh thyme before. I've always just used like the seasoning that you can get in the bottles. So I had no clue how to get this thyme off of the stems, like what the best way to do it was. I think I kind of figured it out, but then I was still having trouble. It was very difficult for me. So I don't know. I feel like maybe normal people would know how to do that. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. I feel like most people use seasoning thyme, or maybe that's just most people I know. I have no clue. All I know is I was having a very tough time. And then when they told me to like chop it up, I was so confused because I'm like, it's already small. What do you need me to do? So we'll just say that I'm definitely not a chef. But yeah, so then I basically cut up the thyme and chopped up the sweet potatoes as they instructed me to do. As I was doing this, I remember thinking that like it didn't seem like it was a lot of food. Like the portion sizes didn't seem like they were that big, and I got the 2 people serving, so the serving for 2 people, like that's all of them, the both sweet potatoes, number 1 and 2. I just felt like that was not a lot. Like I feel like I could eat those sweet potatoes myself. But then when I actually started plating everything, I realized that they do give you a very good amount, and I was actually pretty full after eating everything as well. So I think that the portion size actually are good. They don't look like it, but I enjoyed it. I think it was a good portion size. So I pretty much just put that in the oven, and then I moved all of the sweet potatoes over after kind of like flipping them around so that I could put the green beans on as well. So the green beans go in after the sweet potatoes are in for, I think it was like maybe 15 minutes or so. And so then I just kind of put some more oil. One thing I will mention is that the recipe says to add oil for the green beans as well, but I really don't think you need to. And it said large amounts for both, so I pretty much did a large amount, but like afterwards I realized it was kind of greasy. So if I were to ever get this recipe again, or if I were ever to do this on my own, I would make sure that I don't use as much oil. But the next step is to basically oil the pan that you're going to be cooking the steak in, and then just start cooking the steak. So I like my steak well done. I don't really eat steak at all, but if I do, or if I eat any type of red meat, I make sure it is well done. I'm not for that pink stuff that everybody else seems to be, you know, like, oh, it's juicier that way. No, I don't care. I don't like it at all. I think it's gross. My boyfriend likes it, so I took his off a little earlier than mine, but I made sure mine was very well done on the inside. I didn't want to see any pink whatsoever. Another thing that I did want to mention is that I did broil the vegetables for the last maybe like 3 minutes that they were in the oven. The instructions did not say to do that, but I thought that it would give them a nice little crispiness because they weren't really looking that crisp just by being in the oven, so I wanted them to get a little bit crispier. Another thing that I did as well was the instructions said to season the meat with salt and pepper, and that was it. I'm sure they probably expect you to use your own seasoning. I mean, I think they would have to. I can't believe that they would just want you to use salt and pepper and that's it. So I use a little bit of the garlic and herb Mrs. Dash and a little bit of tenderizer. I think I might have put some garlic powder on there as well. Yeah, so I was not about to just have some salt and pepper seasoned meat. That was not okay. So other than that, I pretty much followed the recipe to the T. Hey guys, I have my food and I'm going to try it. I think I cooked my steak really well because I like mine to be well done, and as I was cutting it I really didn't see much pink, so that's good. So we will see. I gave you guys a kind of a look at it earlier, but here's what it looks like on the plate. Sorry for the work camera angle. I'm gonna try the meat last, so we'll do the sweet potato first. Oh, my friend's looking at me. It's good. I really like the sweet potato. Babe, sweet potato came out bomb.
Alright.
Okay. We're good on one. Let's try. They have these like almonds with the green beans. I don't know how I'm gonna like that, but I'm gonna try it. Tell you what I think. It gives it a nice crunch. I like it. I don't know if I salted the green beans enough, but I think they need a little more salt. Okay. But other than that, it came out good. I'm not sure if I mentioned this in the voiceover, but I
broiled them for like the last 2.5 minutes. Didn't say to do that in the instructions, but I just wanted them to be a bit crispier, so. And I think that made a good difference. So now the moment of truth. I'm gonna try the steak. I'm gonna do this little end piece here. I did already taste a little bit of the demi glaze, and that's delicious. So now I'll try the steak with the demi glaze on it. Babe, that's good. That's really good. I like that a lot. And I don't like steak. I barely ever eat steak, but this is delicious. Yeah. Oh yeah. This meal gets a 10 out of 10 for me. I like this. I like this a lot. Alright guys. Well, that was my unboxing and cooking and review of my first HelloFresh subscription box. I really enjoyed this first meal. I'm excited to try the other two. If you guys have tried HelloFresh before, let me know. If you are, thinking about trying HelloFresh, definitely let me know as well. If you have any questions about like my experience, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Like this video, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to comment. Love you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.